This is a simple chainsaw mill I made using my Husqvarna 40cc 16-inch. The only modification I made was I drilled a hole in the chain bar. The hole at the other end was already there. I put in 1-inch spacers. You could put any size you want up to the size of the bolt. I put in a 3-inch bolt so I could adjust that board size. I put in lag bolts for the fence. And with this configuration, I can cut 10.5-inch wide boards. The whole thing took me about 2 hours to make and cost me $32.